Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the new Riki Loves Riki Superfine 7x Mirror. This mirror was released back on October 30th. I did receive this in PR before the launch date, but I wanted to give it a try before uploading the video so I could have a better review. So this mirror retails for $60 and it comes in 4 different colors. The one I'll be reviewing is the iridescent, and the other colors they carry are white, rose gold, and pink. The mirror comes inside a multi-purpose round zip jewelry case that matches the color of the mirror that you pick. The inside is soft and I believe the material is velvet. It has a slot for rings, a small pocket for maybe your necklaces or bracelets, a slot for the mirror itself. Inside it also has a spot for the charging USB cable. It also includes a soft carrying sleeve for your mirror, which I really appreciate that Riki does this with their mirrors because it prevents them from getting scratched or damaged while it's in your purse. For the mirror itself, it's a small travel-friendly mirror that can fit inside your purse without taking too much room. It is less than 4 inches in diameter. It has 7x magnification, which is perfect for close-ups, touch-ups, and grooming. The back of this mirror has a magnet so it can be mounted to your Riki Skinny or Riki Tall, which I completely forgot to film a clip of this, but I'm sure you guys get the point if you are familiar with those two mirrors. It has a retractable ring just like the Cutie mirror, which helps so much when applying your makeup because it allows you to use both hands. This mirror has 3 stages of lighting. The light is daylight HD LEDs. I feel like I'm very familiar with Riki's mirrors since I own most of them, so I feel comfortable recommending their mirrors, especially for makeup application, so I can honestly say they have one of the best lightings. The first and the second setting is what I use mostly at night because I felt the third setting was pretty intense during nighttime. During the day, I like to use the second and third setting. And I was pretty impressed that throughout my lighting, you're still able to see how intense this little mirror is. So overall, I tend to use this mirror pretty often, especially since it has magnification. I'm always using it to groom my brows, and I've even seen my husband use it for grooming his facial hair. I also would recommend this mirror for those that need glasses because it does come in handy. I know it's just a mirror with lights, but I'm sure we have had that moment when we needed a good light to touch up, but we only had a compact and yellow light around us. So I've had this for a little over a month and I have yet not charged the mirror, so I can definitely say the battery does last long. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think about the mirror. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.